So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and in this video we'll cover the day 7 challenge. That is the day 7 food and grocery ordering voice agent. So here we have completed the challenge and the video is already live. If you want you can watch it and just understand what is the file structure and which file we have to modify. In this video we'll just do the summation task. So before we start, make sure you subscribe the channel and to hype the video. Now come over here and you have to just make sure you have already forked the repository. If you don't know, you have to just come over here to the main repository and you can see this fork option. You have to fork it. After that, a copy of the repository will be generated. How to find it? If you have already forked it, click on your profile icon and just click on repository, click on it. Now here I am creating multiple branch, we can say, but many of you are saying that we are creating individual repos. We are not just using the same repo. We are having a personal repo in which we are pushing the codes. So is it okay, or is there a issue if we use different repo? So the answer is no. You can use any repo. If you want, you can just use different branches also, or you can just submit different repos also. There is no issue as long as you are sharing the code. Now here you have to click on main and you can see like day 1, day 2, day 3, day 6. I have covered all things. Now here let me just add day, wait a second, day 7, and here click on create branch. Okay, now after that we have to just go to the VS Code over here. So let me come over here. First of all, let's come to the backend page in the GitHub and then src, and here you can see that agent.py. Open it like this, click on this pencil icon. Now come to your file in the VS Code which you have modified. Here you can see agent.py. Just copy entire content from here to here, Control A, Control C, and just update it. Here many of you are asking why you are not pushing the code directly from the VS Code via git bash or git method. So I'm just sharing the simplest way so that everyone can just complete the challenge who are not knowing that much deep. Okay, I know it's very simple, still many people find it difficult. Now let's come to the src section. Now here we have to update the database, but we are unable to update it. So in that case, you have to just right click over here and just click on reveal in file explorer. Now from here we have to upload it. So for that, if I come to the GitHub and here you can just see add file and just click on upload option. Now here you can see browse your files. You can just select it or upload it or just drag and drop. So from here I'm just dragging and dropping. So here just you can mention the commit and just click on commit changes. Now once you have done, make sure you are in the day 7 branch or whatever repository you have used. From the top panel, just copy the URL and in the description box of this video also and of the submission video also. Okay, in the day 7, I've shared the form link. Okay, you have to just add the GitHub repo over here. Similarly, add the same email address which you used previously in day 1 to day 6 and which you use for registration. Now LinkedIn post. You have to make a LinkedIn post over here. I have already made. You can just check it also. So here you have to just explain all the things whatever you have built and make sure to add these two hashtags. You can also tag me. Okay, you can also tag me. Now here from 3 dots just copy link to post and similarly just paste over here. Once all these things are done, just click on save and a copy of the same response will be done. So sometimes what happens, first of all let's fill the captcha. So sometimes what happens, by mistake you upload the LinkedIn URL in the GitHub section, and sometimes you update incorrect. I mean, instead of day 7 you updated day 6. So you can refill the form. There is no issue. Okay. So this was the quick thing. Make sure you subscribe the channel and hype this video. Also do check the playlist if you want to participate in other challenges, like we have major lag hacking, and we have the agent voice challenge, the arcade facilitator program, and multiple challenges are there. So do like the video and subscribe the channel. Have a great day ahead.